Hello friends, once again welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will be trying to talk about Monkey Island. The term Monkey Island refers to a place on the ship which is located at the topmost accessible height. Technically it is a deck located directly above the navigation bridge of the ship. The navigation bridge is the main control center of the vessel from where the officers are able to man the entire operation of a vessel. Now we are on the Monkey Island of a vessel and we can see lot of equipments over there. Mainly radars and communication equipments are located here. You can see the country flag over there. Now we are seeing a ship horn and we can see a lot of radar over there. Mainly two types of radar are used on board ship. One is S-band radar and other is X-band radar. Radar is a navigational equipment which is used to detect the nearby objects or any other vessels. These are used for a navigational purpose and we can see lot of other equipments over the Monkey Island. Now you are seeing a instrument which is called anemometer. It is used to measure the wind speed and wind direction, etc. Now in our vessel we are having a lot of equipments over the Monkey Island. Some of them are VDR capsule, radar scanners, SAT box and our communication equipments, weather equipments, navigation lights and ship whistles, etc. And one of the important equipment we already shown is our magnetic compass, which is a mandatory equipment on board a vessel. Now you are seeing an orange box which is called as Voyage Data Recorder. This is similar to the black box in a flight. The Voyage Data Recorder or VDR is a data recording system designed for all ships required to comply with IMO regulations. This is used to collect the data from various sensors on board the vessel. It then digitalizes and compresses and store the information in the storage unit. This will be a evidence in case of any marine accident or any collision or any sinking of the vessel, etc. Now you are seeing one of the important and ancient navigational equipment on board. This is a marine compass which is used to find the direction of the vessels, etc. Now you are seeing a internet receiver. This is used for the purpose of providing internet on board the vessel. Now most of the vessels are equipped with satellite internet facilities which will be used for the communication purpose. Mostly all the vessels now are provided with the internet facilities. You can see a lot of equipments and devices here which are mainly used for the navigational purpose. As the Monkey Island is the topmost part of the vessel and it is a very beautiful place to having a sightseeing. Now we are in a port and we can see a lot of beautiful moments from the Monkey Island. It's almost evening time and we can see the sunset and it will be very beautiful to see from the Monkey Island. Now you can see the bridge wing, which are the both sides of the bridge. Navigational bridge we will be called as bridge wing. Bridge wing from there and we can watch a lot of beautiful moments over there. Now we are walking through the Monkey Island. I think most of the things you have seen. Now the cargo operation is going on the vessel. Now let's watch the cargo operation, how the cargos are handled, how the crane works, etc. we can see over there. This is how the overall look of a port. We are in a container terminal and you can see a lot of cargo are loaded on our ship. You can see normally the containers are of standard size. Normally two types of containers are used on board a container vessel, that is 20 feet container and 40 feet container. Now you can see the crane is going to take up two containers which are of 20 feet. You can see two containers of 20 feet are there, and the crane will be lifting the two containers at a time. You can see how the containers are lifted, and now the crane will be lifting the containers. This type of crane which are normally used in ports are called as gantry cranes. You can see a lot of navigation equipments over there. If you want a detailed video, please do comment. We will be making separate video about the navigation equipments, etc. Now you can see the containers have been lifted up and keeping above the cargo hold. There are two containers which they have lifted together. If it is a 40 feet container, they will be lifting only one container at the time. This is a gantry crane, and you can see a man will be operating the gantry crane from this place. I hope you have been enjoyed this video. If you really like our videos, please do like and comment below. Please do subscribe and support our channel for more videos. Thank you.